Hi, my name is Desi. I am your coach, mentor, educator, and all things that you need in order to grow professionally and personally within the field of user experience. Now, what do we mean? Well, we're all going to find out soon enough. Now, after building a career successfully within the field of user experience and progressing to senior leadership positions, I realized something that I could do much more effectively. That is to find ways to give back what I've learned to you. So, we're going to be talking about a ton of great things that will help you inside and outside of your career. We're going to be looking at all kinds of skills, hard skills, soft skills, technical skills, strategic approaches to challenges either that you set for me or ones that I've been able to experience and overcome and fail in my career. So we can learn lessons from those wins and losses. But most importantly, we're going to be looking at principles as well, because principles always override rules and guides. Remember that. So we're going to be looking at all of that. And we're going to understand how we can practically apply these things into our careers, into our lives. Not just make us better designers, but make us better people. So hang on to your hats, guys. We're going to have a lot of fun. So my name is Desi. I cannot wait to teach, show you, and help you to learn everything you need in order to succeed. Remember, stay present and stay curious. See you in the next video.